Oh yeah, fellas, here we go. We got something from Boatrocker, $8. Bit ritzy. Holy Diver Red IPA, 6.66%. That's looking pretty good. Nice looking can. The devil's number. You're kidding. You know I love a red ale. Check out the colour of that. It's funny how reds are like brownie reds, aren't they? It's looking pretty bloody nice though. Let's hope it lives up to its 666. Holy you beauty. Cheers. Got an insect as well on the glass, you beauty. Very nice. Toasty. Toasty afternoon. Neighbour's got the bloody lawnmower going again, you're kidding. I'm sitting back drinking nice beers and enjoying myself. I'm having the day off. I've been going pretty hard. Beer? Yeah, bloody nice beer. I think they were 26 for a 4-pack. I thought it was a bit ritzy. It might have been 28. 26, I think. I've decided to get one, mainly because I bought a 4-pack of red ale once. Might have been a 6-pack. I got home and they were sours. They tricked us. So I'm not getting sucked in anymore. I'm only getting six packs of the beers I know. How's the wind? Classic today. Windy mother. Hell of a day. Well, there you go. Check that one out, guys. That's probably worth getting a 4-pack. Find a better bottle shop, a cheaper one. The one I went to is a bit ritzy. Oh well, got some planes. They sound like an old plane. Travel story. What about first time I went to Thailand and I got a room on the beach for $1 a night. That was a classic. $1 for a Thai stick, $1 for a good meal. It was $1 for everything. It was $10 for the girls. You were kidding. And then I went out with the Thai guys and they took me to this Thai joint. And it was 20 baht. It was Sao baht. Sao baht. It was 20 baht. That's how much the girls cost. 20 baht. You're kidding. For the Thai blokes. $1. You're kidding. Yeah, that was ridiculous. Anyway, shouldn't go there. Beers were good. They had Closter back then, which I drank quite a lot of. During the day, drank the Singers at night time. They knocked you around quite a bit. Mekong. Duty free, of course. You always took a bottle or two in. A couple of bottles. And yeah, that's basically it, really. Cheap living in Thailand back in the day. That was ridiculous. Vietnam was bloody cheap when we went there. It was actually cheaper than Thailand for food, but the rooms weren't as cheap. You couldn't get the cheap rooms. No, yeah, pretty cheap. Not as cheap as first time in Thailand. That was ridiculous. No wonder I kept going back there. You're kidding. 2 months every year for years. Oh well. Hope they get this shit sorted out. There's a new contagion out there now, the O virus. You're kidding. And the WHO won't shut the borders. America won't shut the borders. So people have already left Africa and flown into Israel. So there's a few people with the O virus there now. And one in Belgium. And I think Europe shut the border to Africa to flights at the moment. So yeah, it's a bit, it could be a killer one. It really spreads real easy. This is the second virus. They reckon the Delta was different. I don't reckon the Delta's any different to the original. They reckon it is not really. The O virus, let's see. Let's see if this is the killer, the kicker. You're kidding. I don't think the vaccines work with the O virus, so hang on to your hats, guys. Could be fucking in for a fun time. Tried to upload a couple of vids and it wouldn't let me before. Can't upload to this channel at the moment. That's nice. I've had two warnings and a strike and another warning or another strike, so I'm not sure. Might have done me balls. Oh well, we'll see. Helicopter's here now. I'm going. Cheers.